Hello and welcome back to Unique CAD tutorial. Okay, in SolidWorks, the move entity and copy entity is a very important command or entity. Okay, which you use many times. But how to use it? Let's see. So before that, if you are visiting the channel for first time, so I request you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so you can get latest notification about this channel. Okay, let's start. Now in this video we are going to talking about move entity and copy entity in SolidWorks. Now this is very important, Okay, now I just draw here a axis in about this origin. Okay, horizontal axis and vertical axis. Now I'm just taking here a circle. Okay, now just like this. Okay, and I have to move this circle. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, you can simply take this move entity here. Okay, now after that you can select this. Okay, so it will be automatically selected here like this entities to move in arc and keep in relation. Okay, now here two parameters are here, from to or x or y, or in x and y you have to add x direction dimension and y direction. So this is a coordinate system. So if you want to go in right side, means here you want to go, so it will be plus x, and if you want to go to the y direction, sorry, in negative x, so here it is a negative x. Okay, and if you want to go upper side, so it will be positive y, and if you want to go downward side, it is a negative y. So I have to place this circle from this second coordinate system to this first coordinate system. This is the first, this is second, third and fourth coordinate system. Okay, now I have to move this circle from second coordinate system to first coordinate system. So how can I do this? Okay, you just have to add here plus values of x. Okay, so I'm taking here 100. Okay, in x direction, in y direction I'm taking here 20 only. Okay, so just write this, so it will be go to the right side. So if you want to make this circle in right side also, so you can add 50. Okay, so it will be move this 50 to this right side. Okay, and if I do this in downward direction, so I have to make here minus 20, so it will be goes to the downward side, minus y20. Okay, so it will be go to this minus side. Okay, this downward side. If you want to make this circle as 150, okay, in right side, so it will be, but it is a two outside of this diagram, so I have to make this circle here, so I have to add here minus value, minus 50. So it will go to the this minus 50 side. Okay, so if you want to move the circle in right side or left side, if you have to go to right side, you have to plus you have to add plus x values. If you have to go left side, so you have to add here x as negative, and if you have to move this circle in upper side, so you have to add this y value as positive, and if you want to move this circle in downward side, so you have to use here negative value. So in this way you can make this copies in this section. Okay, or sorry, a move. Okay, after that we have to see how to copy this circle in this SolidWorks. Okay, now second command is our copy command. Okay, now see what is happening in copy command. Okay, now just you have to select entities copy, so I have to make this circle to copy. Okay, just select this here, keep in relation. After that you have to select here two parameters, from to or x to y. It is nothing but x, y, y. You have to select or you have to put here dimensions only. Okay, x and y dimension, how you have to move this or copy this circle in y direction and x direction. You have to just select here parameters, or here you just have to put dimensions. Okay, so I have to copy this circle in this first coordinate, so I have to make here x as 100, and I have to move this circle in downward side in here, so I am taking here minus, so I have to move the minus 20. Okay, so I just enter this. Okay, so it will be copy this circle here. You just have to add here coordinates. Okay, so x as 100 and y as minus 20 from this center of this circle. Okay, 100x means 100 plus, so it will go this side, and minus 20 means downward side. Okay, so it will be copy this. Okay, after that I have to make one more copy of this circle in this last coordinate. So how can I do this? Okay, just select here copy entity, select this circle. I have to copy this in last coordinate, means here I have to go downward. Downward means y minus y. Okay, and I have to go in fourth coordinate, the plus x. I have to take here x plus, so I'm taking here 100 as x, and I have to take here 100 or 150 minus 150 minus 100. So it will goes this, but here the dimension is not accurate, so I'm taking here 120. Okay, so it will be go to the this last one coordinate. Okay, in this way you can make number of copies and number you can move the object. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. uh, See you in next video. Please like, comment and share this video. This helped me a lot. Take care. Take care. Bye.